Myself, Divjot Krishna from St. Philomena's Group of Institutions, Chandapura branch, grade 4. I am going to say few sky concepts.
National symbols. National anthem.
Jana Gana Mana.
National song.
Vande Mataram.
National animal.
Tiger. Royal Bengal tiger.
National bird.
Peacock.
National tree.
Banyan tree.
National flower.
Lotus.
National river.
Ganga.
National currency.
Indian rupee.
National emblem.
Lion's capital.
National heritage animal.
Elephant.
National aquatic animal.
Gags of dolphin.
National fruit.
Mango.
National vegetable.
Pumpkin.
National calendar.
Saka calendar.
National game.
Hockey.
National reptile.
King cobra.
Union territories.
And their capitals: Andaman Nicobar Islands, Progress, Chandigarh, Nagaland, Naga Haveli, Sidhusa, Nagar and DU, Raman, Delhi, New Delhi, Lashatik, Pavatik, Pucheri, Ladakh, Jammu and Kashmir, Srinagar.
8 planets in our solar system.
Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune.
Major rivers of India.
Brahmaputra, Ganga, Godavari, Indus, Kaveri, Mahanadi, Periyar, Tamirabarani, Vaigai, Yamuna.
International airports.
Indira Gandhi International Airport in New Delhi, in Rajshansi International Airport in Amritsar, Chhatrapati Shivaji International Airport in Hyderabad. Chhatrapati Shivaji International Airport in Mumbai, Rajshansi International Airport in Amritsar, Rajiv Gandhi International Airport in Hyderabad, Anna International Airport in Chennai.
Preamble.
We the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic, and to secure to all its citizens justice, social, economic and political liberty of the arts, expression, belief, faith and worship, equality of status and of opportunity, and to secure to all its citizens justice, social, economic and political liberty of the arts, expression, belief, faith and worship. In our Constituent Assembly, this 26th day of November 1949, do hereby adopt, enact and give to ourselves this Constitution.
About Ramayana. ರಾಮಾಯಣ ರಚಿಸಿದವರು ಯಾರು?
ವಾಲ್ಮೀಕಿ ಮಹರ್ಷಿಗಳು.
ವಾಲ್ಮೀಕಿ ಯಾವ ವಂಶಜರು?
ಭೃಗು ವಂಶ.
ವಾಲ್ಮೀಕಿಯ ತಂದೆಯ ಹೆಸರೇನು?
ಪುಚ್ಚೇತನ ಮಹರ್ಷಿಗಳು.
ಸಂಸ್ಕೃತದಲ್ಲಿ ವಾಲ್ಮೀಕಿ ಎಂದರೇನು?
ಹುತ್ತ.
ರಾಮಾಯಣದ ಒಟ್ಟು ಎಷ್ಟು ಕಾಂಡಗಳು?
8.
ರಾಮಾಯಣದ ಕಾಂಡಗಳು ಯಾವುವು?
ಬಾಲಕಾಂಡ, ಅಯೋಧ್ಯಕಾಂಡ, ಕಿಷ್ಕಿಂಧಕಾಂಡ, ಸುಂದರಕಾಂಡ, ಲಂಕಾಕಾಂಡ, ಲವಕುಶಕಾಂಡ.
ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಶ್ರೀ ರಾಮಾಯಣ ದರ್ಶನಂ ಕೃತಿಯನ್ನು ರಚಿಸಿದವರು ಯಾರು?
ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರಕವಿ ಕುವೆಂಪು.
ತಮಿಳಿನಲ್ಲಿ ರಾಮಾಯಣವನ್ನು ರಚಿಸಿದವರು ಯಾರು?
ಕಂಬನ್.
ಲಂಕಾಕಾಂಡಕ್ಕಿರುವ ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಹೆಸರು?
ಯುದ್ಧಕಾಂಡ.
ರಾಮಾಯಣ ಯಾವ ಯುಗಕ್ಕೆ ಸೇರಿದ್ದು?
ತ್ರೇತಾಯುಗ.
ರಾಮಾಯಣ ವಂಶ ಯಾವುದು?
ಸೂರ್ಯವಂಶ.
ಸೂರ್ಯವಂಶದ ಮೊದಲ ರಾಜನ ಹೆಸರೇನು?
ರಾಜ ಹೆಸರು ವಿಶ್ವಾಕು. ಇಕ್ಷ್ವಾಕು.
ಇಕ್ಷ್ವಾಕುವಿನ ತಂದೆ ಯಾರು?
ಸೂರ್ಯದೇವ.
ಸೂರ್ಯವಂಶಕ್ಕಿರುವ ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಹೆಸರೇನು?
ರಘುವಂಶ.
ಸೂರ್ಯವಂಶದ ಮತ್ತೊಬ್ಬ ಕೀರ್ತಿವಂತ ರಾಜ ಯಾರು?
ಕೀರ್ತಿವಂತ ರಾಜ ಸತ್ಯ ಹರಿಶ್ಚಂದ್ರ.
Fundamental rights.
Right to equality, right to freedom, right against sexualization, right to freedom of religion, culture and educational rights, right to constitutional remedies.
Fundamental duties.
To respect the Constitution, national flag and national anthem, follow ideas of freedom struggle, protect sovereignty and integrity of India, of Constitution, defend the country and render national services when called upon, spirit of common brotherhood, preserve natural environment, preserve culture, safeguard public property, strike for excellence, duty for all parents and guardians to send their children to school.
4 Vedas.
Ritveda, Ajurveda, Samaveda, Atharvana Veda.
Official languages of India.
Assami, Bengali, Bodo, Dogri, Gujarati, Hindi, Sanskrit, Santali, Tamil, Telugu, Kannada, Kashmiri.
7 continents.
Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe.
5 oceans.
Indian Ocean, Pacific Ocean, Arctic Ocean, Antarctic Ocean.
Neighboring countries of India.
China, Pakistan, Bhutan, Nepal, Sri Lanka and Bangladesh. Thank you.